Tomas? Tomas?
Yes, sir.
Here.
What's wrong?
Tomas? I heard lots of problem with your girlfriend, Joanna.
Oh, you would not believe it. Girls, so much drama. You know?
But Tomas, good looking guy, Tomas. Yeah, you're right. But his family and his father doesn't want me because I am a poor man. Tomas,
Today, I will go and see my girlfriend Joanna. She's the most beautiful girl in the world, in my whole entire life. Should I go and visit her or no? Should I? Ah, just forget it. I will go and visit her. Joanna! Joanna! Wake up! Wake up! Joanna!
Oh my God!
Joanna! Ah, Joanna, here.
Yes! What are you doing here?
I just come by. I want to see your beautiful face. I miss you, Joanna.
Are you crazy? It's too late.
Joanna, if you love me, please come outside. I want to talk to you about something. Yes.
Okay, come on.
Yes.
Where's my mom?
Hello, Joanna. Did you miss me?
No! Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
What's wrong?
Tomas, you know my father hates you.
Oh. How many times I told you? I don't care about your family. I don't care about your father. But what do you do? I care about you, Joanna. I love you, Joanna.
Tomas, I know you love me, and I love you too.
Thanks.
But my father hates you.
Please, Joanna. Please, Joanna. Can you... I'm begging you, please.
Tomas, I'm telling you the truth right now. The reason why my father hates you, because, listen carefully. First, you have no money.
And second,
Second, you have no house.
and the third one.
You have no job
Oh,
in Australia. No, Tomas, you have to go now.
Joanna. Joanna.
Tomas,
Joanna. Joanna, wait. What about my face? Joanna, what about my face?
here we are.
Wait, Joanna. Wait. What about these? What about these? Touch it. Feel it.
No, Tomas. Tomas, listen. I have money.
Just one more, please, Joanna.
My father is waiting for me.
Joanna, what about this?
Tomas, where did you get that? Did you steal it? I know you have no money, no job, and no house. Where did you get it?
Hush now, Joanna. I didn't steal it. I didn't borrow it. I buy it. I have a job. Because.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Because I want to support you. I love you, Joanna. Joanna, will you marry me?
Gabe?
Will you marry me?
Yes.
I love you, Joanna.